Di ako magaling
Happy
kumanta.
Okay,
Can you
one.
pitch to your own birthday?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to me.
Go make a pitch.
Okay.
Yo.
Wow!
That's the cake, guys.
Ang cute niya.
Happy birthday, ate. Ano
Thank you. Pangalina.
last year mo ng ano.
This is-
Guys, you know what? Ay, nag-vlog din.
Okay lang. Go.
Alam niyo ba, si ate nagpalaki dito sa akin sa Manila.
At lumaki ka din.
Lumaki ng very light, pero ate si, nandyan siya ever since the start. Somehow, mga medyo start ako. Basta,
Yeah.
so, laking ate dito pagdating sa Pasay. So, guys, we are celebrating her birthday.
Thank you so much.
Nung nagkakilala kami, parang pa lang siya. 20, pa lang siya ngayon.
This is my last year of being 20s.
Tapos parang, na-meet ko siya noon mid-20s niya.
Yeah.
Tapos, sabi ko, pinalakan na lang ako ni ate dito sa, pinalakan na lang ako dito ni ate sa Manila. So, ayan guys, may mini vlog pa tayo. Kasi bukas ay magla-last duty pa kami.
Yeah.
Yes, tibay. At takas ng loob talaga.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Lord, for
Yes.
everything. At yung aking birthday wish ay for both of us.
Man.
Okay. Pwede na natin
Celebrating. Nandito ko na yan sa Burning Hands. Gonna eat na guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. O yung